It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello friends, today we will take a look at China's trillion-dollar mega projects. Get ready, because our first stop is the incredible Chengdu Tianfu International Airport construction. With its 710,000 square meter terminal building, it is impressive not only with its size, but also with its technology. This mega project took 5 years to complete and hundreds of thousands of workers, engineers, and designers were involved in the project. The result? A truly breathtaking structure. The Hongo Bay Bridge is 36 kilometers long and connects the Chinese cities of Hangzhou and Ningbo. This huge bridge is a project that has attracted the attention of not only China but the entire world. The bridge took 4 years to build and thousands of workers, engineers, and designers were involved in the project. Building the bridge over the sea was a huge engineering challenge. Strong tides and harsh weather conditions made construction even more difficult. However, Chinese engineers overcame these challenges with innovative solutions. Specially designed steel and concrete mixtures were used to increase the bridge's durability. The bridge's aesthetic design is also dazzling. The Han hydroelectric power plant is one of the largest projects built to meet China's energy needs. With a capacity of 3,000 megawatts, this huge facility has the power to meet the electricity needs of millions of homes. The construction of this huge facility was carried out in a mountainous and rugged region. Thousands of workers, engineers, and technicians worked day and night to bring this project to life despite the harsh natural conditions. The automation systems used in the plant can instantly monitor and optimize the energy production process. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge is 55 kilometers long and connects 3 major cities in China. The construction process of the bridge began with the driving of giant piles into the seabed. The bridge's massive decks were created with specially produced steel and concrete mixtures. These decks were placed using the world's most powerful cranes. Part of this bridge includes a tunnel passing under the sea. After the bridge was completed, it was equipped with modern technologies. Shanghai Tower, standing 632 meters high, is the tallest building in China and the second tallest in the world. The construction of this huge structure took 8 years and was full of engineering marvels at every stage. The exterior of Shanghai Tower is covered with a double-layered glass curtain wall system. This system increases the energy efficiency of the building while also providing an aesthetic appearance. Each floor is equipped with the latest technologies to ensure maximum comfort and efficiency. Intelligent building systems integrate energy management, security, and communication infrastructures. The Three Gorges Dam is located on the Yangtze River in China and is the largest hydroelectric dam in the world. This massive structure has the capacity to produce a total of 22,500 megawatts of electricity. That's enough power to meet the electricity needs of approximately 60 million homes. Millions of cubic meters of concrete were used in the construction of the Three Gorges Dam. These concrete blocks were placed with great precision, creating a solid structure. The The dam is 185 meters high and 2,335 meters long. Each turbine can produce approximately 700 megawatts of power. Beijing Daxing International Airport has made history as the world's largest single-terminal airport. Thousands of workers and engineers worked day and night while laying the foundations of this huge project. Daxing Airport is equipped with the latest technology. Passengers can complete their transactions quickly and smoothly thanks to smart check-in kiosks, facial recognition systems, and automatic baggage systems. The interiors have been designed in a modern and stylish way, considering the comfort of the passengers. With a length of 42.5 kilometers, it is one of the longest sea-crossing bridges in the world. This huge structure connects Qingdao to Huangdao, providing great convenience in transportation. The design of the bridge is unique in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. The bridge's huge decks are made of steel and concrete. The bridge was designed with environmental sustainability in mind. Energy-efficient lighting and environmentally friendly materials were used. The Channel Tunnel is the longest underwater tunnel in the world, connecting Folkestone, England to Calais, France, at 50.45 kilometers long. This huge project revolutionized transportation by connecting the European continent to Great Britain. Let's take a closer look at the construction process of this incredible structure. The Elizabeth Line is a new 118-kilometer railway line running from east to west London. The line revolutionized transport by connecting both central London and its surrounding areas. The line's underground tunnels were dug using giant tunnel boring machines, TBMs. These machines bore underground to create a 21-kilometer network of tunnels. The TBMs worked their way through London's dense and complex underground structure, passing under existing underground lines and through the foundations of buildings. The South-North Water Transfer Project is a massive infrastructure project designed to more equitably distribute China's water resources. It transports water from water-rich regions in the south to water-poor regions in the north, meeting the water needs of millions of people. Let's take a closer look at the construction process of this incredible project. I will take you through the construction process of the Hangu Bridge, one of Shanghai's iconic structures and an engineering marvel. Are you ready? Because this bridge is not just a means of transportation, it is also a work of art. Hangu Bridge is a magnificent suspension bridge spanning the Hangu River in Shanghai. This massive structure, which is 7,658 meters long and 2,263 meters wide, greatly relieves traffic in the city. Let's take a closer look at the construction process of this incredible project.